Okay, so this is the latest update. बहुत ही जद्दोजहद के बाद और रिसर्च के बाद I found a room which is decent, clean, and most importantly, this room has a view to die for. I'm standing right in my room and look where the temple is. The temple is barely, I think, I don't know, maybe 15 feet away. Yes. सो अगर टेम्पल कॉम्प्लेक्स में किसी का फ़ोन भी बजेगा तो आई वुड लिटरली हेयर द वॉइस. यस, दिस इज़ द काइंड ऑफ रूम वी एनीबडी वुड वांट टू लुक फॉर. तो इसके अलावा मोस्ट रिसेंट अपडेट ये है कि एट अराउंड 7 PM सॉरी या 6:30 के आसपास आरती शुरू होगी. तो मोस्ट लाइकली दैट इज़ द टाइम दैट आई विल टेक यू गाइज थ्रू द लाइव आरती if I get a chance to do so, because I would rather enjoy the aarti as well than shooting. But yes, and मैं थोड़ा सा आगे हो जाता हूँ अपनी balcony में, and then I'll show you around. There is a massive constructions happening towards the Chorabari Lake, and Chorabari Lake is one place that we intend and desire to go tomorrow. The only challenge is that it is too far. It is too I mean, there is no habitat there. कोई इंसान नहीं मिलेगा, कोई बना हुआ ऐसा ट्रैक नहीं मिलेगा. यू वुड हैव टू लिटरली ट्रैक. एंड वी रिसेंटली हर्ड कि चोराबारी की तरफ शायद एक दो भालू भी आ गए हैं. तो वी माइट ड्रॉप दैट, बट इफ़ यू डोंट ड्रॉप दैट, I'll definitely take you guys through. But for now, this is the complex. There is the invitation, there is construction happening. The JCB is at work. Then this is the temple. These are 2 or 3 Babajis जो शायद आरती के इंतज़ार में हैं. Then there are people taking pictures. Oh my God! यहाँ पर तो मुझे लग रहा है कि मैं 2 दिन या 4 दिन रुक सकता हूँ without having to do anything but to visit or look at the temple 4 hours in a day. And in fact, let me just show you here. जब मैं ऊपर आ रहा था towards the temple, I noticed that the mountains, the snow mountains, are way too taller than I thought that they are. पता नहीं यहाँ कैमरा जस्टिफाई करेगा कि नहीं करेगा, because I don't have a professional camera that I'm shooting from. But if you guys are able to locate, let me just walk down. No, I think we'll have to wait till tomorrow कि शायद मौसम साफ हो तो I'll be able to show you around. But then I always thought, looking at the YouTube, looking at the Google, looking at the pictures from the friends, I always thought कि mountains यही हैं. These mountains are not as tall as the mountains in Badrinath Valley. But when I looked at that mountain, I don't know whether you can see that white thing right here. Oh, this is the first time I realized that you could zoom as well in Facebook Live. So if you look at this area is actually entire snow-capped mountain, and this would be, I mean, I don't know, the height would be way beyond imagination. Let me zoom out, and I think that's it. With this, मैं जा रहा हूँ चाय पीने because I'm severely dehydrated. मैंने एक water bottle लिया. I drank that water bottle in one gulp, and now I'm going for a chai while I wait for the other colleagues like Sachin, Praveen and Monu, which I think they would be reaching in, I think, in an hour. That's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.